Next, I want to talk about the difference between a parameter and a statistic. A parameter is a numerical description of a population characteristic, and a population parameter is constant for a population, whereas a statistic is a numerical description of a sample characteristic, and a sample statistic can differ from sample to sample, as well as a sample statistic estimates a true population parameter. So parameters go with populations and a statistic goes with a sample. And because these both start with P and these both start with S, it's kind of a nice way to remember them. The directions say, determine whether the numerical value is a parameter or statistic. Number 7 says, the average annual salary for 35 of a company's 1,200 accountants is $68,000. Okay, so when it says 35 of a company's 1,200 accountants, this really tells us that this is a sample, which means that the numerical value of $68,000 is a statistic. So again, statistics go with samples and parameters go with populations. So this statistic of $68,000 is the numerical value of the average annual salary for this sample.